I'm Dave with Granada Barbecue. We do country cooking with the California twist. And today we have a special guest chef in the studio with us, my beautiful actress model niece Kelly.
Hi guys. Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I'll be making a delicious, nutritious green smoothie. I know maybe it's not your first option for what you would think of when you want to eat something delicious, but try to make it one because you know what? You can get all the vitamins and minerals you need in just one little smoothie. So let's get started. We're going to start off with some spinach. We have just some green leafy, full grown spinach, not baby spinach. You can use baby spinach if you want, but today we're using regular spinach. I already washed this, put it in there. Next we have our red kale. You can use any type of kale you want, or you can leave out the kale. I like it because it's so beautiful and it makes me feel really healthy when I eat something that looks this good because it has all these different vitamins that you don't get in your everyday meals without this. So here we have red kale, put it in there. Next we're going to use our 100% natural Zico cocoa water. I like to shake it a little. You don't have to. I don't know if you have to shake it or not, but I do. Next I'm going to pour this coconut water into my smoothie. Let's see, about that much. We need enough to where it's going to let everything blend, but you don't want so much that it's going to make way more smoothie than you're prepared to drink. So I like to add some things to my smoothie. I like to add chia seeds because chia seeds are a great omega-3 option if you're not eating salmon or other things that have omega-3s. This one's organic. I love chia seeds so much. They give you energy, they make you feel good, they have lots of different other benefits. So I'm going to do a nice heaping spoon of chia seeds. Flax seeds are also a great source of protein, source of, what else is in here? Fiber, 3 dietary grams of fiber. They're also rich in omega-3 alpha fatty acids, and they just have so many other great benefits. I love the flax seeds. I like to add them to my smoothie every single day. Maca root, it's really good because it gives you energy, it balances your hormones, all the things that you wouldn't think you need, but actually you do. So I like to put this in my smoothie every day to stay healthy and strong and feeling great. So don't do too much this late in the day. You want about that much. Small teaspoon. You can do as much as you want, but just be careful, you might have a little too much energy. Next, we have these organic mixed berries, frozen, because I'm sure you've had the experience of going to the store, buying all these nice organic vegetables and fruits, then 4 or 5 days later, they're all moldy and rotten. So this is a good way to get your organic berries, whatever kind you want. You could get organic mango, you can get any type of fruit you like. You can get acai frozen. But these are just blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. Everything that I'm sure everyone likes. Put as much as you want. Don't be shy. And that's it. We're going to put this lid on. Make sure it's tight. You don't want to make a mess. And done. Take off the lid, pop it off, make sure you're not going to make too much of a mess with the inside smoothie. I like to give it a little shake. Pour it into your favorite cup. And you have the most nutritious snack or meal that you've had all day. Cheers.